Before I went to China, I had heard that many mobile apps are blocked there, such as Gmail, Google Maps, YouTube X, formerly Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and so on. When I arrived in China, I tested this myself. Indeed, those apps were inaccessible when I was connected to local Wi-Fi or using a SIM card from a Chinese telecom operator. However, I found that by using an eSIM, which is a virtual SIM card, I was able to access all of those blocked applications. This made things much more convenient for me as a foreign visitor. In this video, I demonstrate how it works. As you'll see, when I connected to Wi-Fi, I couldn't access any of the restricted apps. But once I disconnected from Wi-Fi and used my eSIM to connect to the China mobile network, I was able to access them without any issues. You might say that a physical SIM card from a foreign country would also allow access to blocked apps, and that's true. But my point is that using an eSIM is often much cheaper and more convenient, while still giving you full access to the apps you need during your stay in China. At the end of the video, you'll notice that when I had access to the blocked applications, I was connected to China Mobile. Please don't be confused if you see that a VPN was also shown as connected. In reality, most VPNs are blocked in China. As demonstrated earlier in the video, when I was connected to Wi-Fi with the VPN on, I still couldn't access the blocked apps. I hope this video provides useful information for foreign visitors on how to access blocked applications while staying in China.
Alfie, now that we're friends, I've decided to make you my new project.
Oh, you really don't have to do that.